We are in room 4440, which is a family harbor room. This is the ocean view. So let's go inside. All right. So we just walked inside the room, and this is just your view from when you first come in. You do have to put a card in. Blah blah blah. To your right, when you first come in, you have your temperature control. You have closets. It's very tight in here at the beginning, but you do have closet space with a lot of shelves. And then again, more closet space. You have more closet space as well as a safe and some racks as well. And another area for closet. And then this also looks like it comes down. Oops. So this does come down to turn into another shelf. But you can also put this back up, and it actually looks like all of them are like that. So if you have long garments and you need that space, just put it up. Right. Next, we have our bathroom. So the bathrooms on this ship for the Oceanview rooms are really small. So as soon as you come in, you have towel holders, and then you have your mirror, you have your towels, your toilet, tissue, toilet, and then immediately to your left is a shower with a glass shower. But yeah, not much space. Okay. Yeah, but not much space overall. But you do have somewhere to put some of your toiletries as well. Next, coming in, you do have your sofa that also doubles as a pull-out and turns into a bed. You have more storage down. You also have more storage down here. And these are lights that you can use for reading lights. And then there is a mini fridge, which is not super cold, but it gets the job done. You have a vanity area where you can sit as well. And then you have more storage in this area too, which also includes more sheets if you need them. Next, you get over to the area. They messed our beds up, so we have to get that fixed. But this is the bedding. You also have lights here, and then you also have your control lights here to control the room and for the bed light. And let's have a TV. Nice flat screen. Then you have here's a curtain. Okay, here's a curtain to pretty much get your privacy if you want to make the room darker or if you would like light. And behind the curtain, we have my mom and my daughter chilling. And here is our ocean view. Yeah, say hey. And we're at the port of Miami. So here's a view of the room from the window. It does give you some space, though I will say it does give you space, but I will say the bathrooms are pretty small.